myself Ganesh. So I'm introducing our company Mehta Cad System Private Limited. We do have into multiple application. We are into laser, and we do have non-metals, metals, many things. We are into printing systems. Basically, our plant put up at Ahmedabad, and we are the Indian manufacturer company, and we are manufacturing the laser equipments, laser manufacturing machines, printers, and other non-metal machines. And we are into CNC also for wood engraving also. And today we participated in this exhibition. Especially this exhibition is this packing and other systems, and we are what here different kinds of machines. We do have printers, and we do have a laser system, online marking system, and we do have Rex machines, and we do have another different kind of machine which is using in all the engineering industries. That is laser metal cutting machines, and laser marking machines, and laser welding machines. And for non-metals, we do have CNC like CO2 machines. That is for all wood and cutting machines. We do have CNC machines for wood engraving. We have printer machines for flex printing, and we do have other flatbed machines for door printing and glass printing, all those printing systems. And in these exhibitions, there are many people are visiting from different kinds of state, and we are getting good inquiries, and it would be a good helpful for our company. It's a good opportunity to get good inquiries and good business to the customers even as well as company.